Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing. This is MissMechelles Creations Wax. And let's see what I got. This was another Black Friday sale type situation. The prices with this company are usually amazingly good anyway. Oh, look how cute. I love Apollo. But these were just spectacularly priced. Smells so good. So what's this candy? What is this? Yes, this is candy. Little bag of candy. All right, thank you. So let's see what we have. We have Snuggle Bear. So cute. I always like looking at her. She puts so much work into the little pieces that she does. And then Snow-Kissed Mittens. There's no scent profile on there, but just trust that none of these are going to be mint because I don't buy mint. The next one is Christmas goodies. I love that the pour date is on all of these. I guess I'm going to have to wait for a little for these because I like to let them sit for a while so I can get more scent out of them. And yes, they are ready to be used now. I think it's 2 weeks you're supposed to wait, but I like to wait longer. Look at this. This is going to make a beautiful melt, these 2 mitten ones. This one's Santa's Workshop. Look at it. All right, the next one. Oh, how cute. This one is Chai Latte. I'm not a latte girl. However, I had one of hers before that actually smelled quite nice. I don't drink any lattes, any coffee, anything of that sort, but the scent is okay to me. And the last one that I got from her that had one of those kinds of scent was actually really nice. So that little straw, super cute. And I continue to buy from her because not only is the throw nice, but the melts are adorable because look what she does. Look at that. This one is Christmas Memories. This next one is Pilgrim Pie. Again, this is another bakery scent, but it's just too cute not to have. I mean, it's going to make a cute little melt video, right? And what else did I get? I got cranberry. Sparkle, sparkle. This one I've already had before, bedtime bath, but I loved it. So why not get it again? See the pour date? That's when I got the original one. Next we have Christmas Cheer. And I liked that they were like, it was various colors. I'll get it to focus in. There we are. I think there's one left. Yes. Yeah, well, anyone who knows me knows I'm a lemon chick. And these lemon squares were just adorable, and plus I love lemon. So why not get it? This is another one that was poured in August, so it's probably going to be really nice at this point. All right, so we had the lemon squares, Santa's Workshop, Christmas goodies, Snuggle Bear, Snow-Kissed Mittens, Pilgrim Pie, Christmas Memories. I really love this on the back. Cranberry, Chai Latte, bedtime bath. Look at that little bubbles on there. And Christmas Cheer. So I want to thank Miss Michelle for her lovely creations, for all the work she puts into them, for the superb pricing I had on these. I think it was like $1 or something. Like it was just amazing. And her prices are always really reasonable. I had somebody tell me they charged what I considered to be an enormous amount for the one wax melt that was, some of them were about this size and smaller, not lying. And they said, well, it's the amount of work that I put into it. Miss Michelle puts a lot of work into hers too. Look at that. Look at that. And still she keeps the prices very reasonable. Plus the throw was much better than that other company. I feel really guilty continuing to say that about that company, but that's just the way I feel. And you guys know I keep it real. Oh, look at this. Was that the same way in the last one? I guess it was. Maybe I didn't notice. Oh, I hate that the bubble fell off. All right, guys, that's it for Miss Michelle's Creations. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.